ensures stable voltage, protects headlights, prevents flickering, improves brightness, extends lifespan, enhances safety, and supports reliable vehicle lighting performance. Always, today's video is about top 5 best car headlight voltage converters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Thermiter 9005-9006 bulbs combo. This 9005/HB3 and 9006/HB4 LED bulb combo delivers an impressive upgrade in nighttime visibility with up to 110,000 lumens output, offering 1,200% brighter performance than standard halogens. The 6,500K daylight white beam enhances clarity, helping drivers see road signs, pedestrians, and obstacles earlier in low light or harsh weather conditions. Its precision-engineered beam pattern replicates halogen focus, producing a sharp cutoff line that reduces glare for oncoming traffic while maintaining wide, even illumination without dark spots. Built for durability, the dual cooling system, featuring aviation-grade aluminum, copper heat pipes, and a high-speed silent fan, keeps temperatures low and extends lifespan up to 85,000+ hours. The CAN bus-ready design ensures compatibility with 99% of vehicles, preventing flicker and error codes. Installation is effortless thanks to its true 1:1 mini size, allowing plug-and-play setup in just minutes. Overall, it combines brightness, safety, and convenience, making it a reliable long-term lighting upgrade for all driving conditions. Now our second product is Bevel Engineering Premium LED Upgrade Kit. The Bevel Engineering Premium LED Upgrade Kit is a practical and reliable lighting solution designed specifically for Polaris Ranger, RZR, and general vehicles. Featuring H13 4000 LM LED bulbs, it delivers a solid improvement over stock halogen lighting, offering clearer illumination for safer night driving and off-road adventures. The dual-function high and low beam design ensures versatile performance, while the adjustable beam angle helps fine-tune visibility for different terrains and driving conditions. Installation is straightforward with a true plug-and-play design. Simply insert, rotate, and connect to the factory harness without any complex modifications. Its fanless, maintenance-free structure reduces noise and long-term upkeep, making it ideal for hassle-free ownership. Built with IP65 water resistance, it performs reliably in rain, mud, and harsh outdoor environments. The built-in canvas system prevents flickering, error codes, and compatibility issues, ensuring smooth operation. Overall, it's a dependable, weather-ready upgrade for enhanced visibility and driving safety. Our third product is Huster Pair 180W 1000% Bright. The Huster 5x7 LED headlights offer a strong value upgrade for vehicles using 7x6 square headlight housings, delivering a powerful mix of brightness, durability, and safety-focused beam control. With 9,500 lumens high beam and 6,500 lumens low beam output, they produce a highly visible and uniform light pattern that eliminates dark spots and blind zones, improving confidence during night driving and off-road use. A standout feature is the precision-engineered Z-shaped cutoff line, which provides excellent road focus while preventing glare for oncoming traffic. This makes it both performance-driven and road-friendly, with DOT SAE compliance adding credibility to its safety standards. Built from heavy-duty aluminum alloy and a shatterproof UV-resistant PC lens, the assembly feels rugged and long-lasting, while IP67 waterproofing ensures reliable performance in rain, mud, and harsh environments. The anti-aging circuitry and efficient heat dissipation system help maintain consistent brightness over time, reducing light degradation. Overall, it's a durable, modern, and highly functional headlight upgrade for compatible trucks, SUVs, and classic vehicles. Now number 4, Farin 9000 and 9006 LED bulbs combo. The Farin LED headlight bulb combo delivers an extreme brightness upgrade with an impressive 150,000 lumens output, making night driving significantly safer and more confident. Compared to traditional halogen bulbs, the increased illumination enhances visibility of road signs, lane markings, and distant obstacles, allowing quicker reaction times in low light conditions. Designed for both high and low beam applications, this combo offers flexible compatibility, but proper fitment checking is essential before installation. Its advanced LED chip design produces a focused, halogen-like beam pattern with even light distribution, effectively eliminating dark spots and reducing glare for oncoming traffic, improving overall road safety. Installation is simple thanks to its plug-and-play canvas-ready system, which reduces flickering and error messages across most vehicles. Built for durability, the integrated cooling fan and aluminum housing ensure efficient heat management, while the IP68 waterproof rating protects against rain, snow, and dust. Overall, it's a powerful, reliable, and long-lasting lighting upgrade for demanding driving conditions. And our last choice is NSDX CT 7-inch LED glass headlight round lens. This 7-inch glass round LED headlight housing upgrade offers a strong improvement in nighttime visibility and overall driving safety. Designed with a true 1:1 replacement structure for H6024 sealed beam headlights, it produces a brighter, wider light output that significantly enhances road clarity and extends viewing distance. The improved beam projection helps drivers detect obstacles, lane markings, and road conditions earlier, especially in low visibility environments. Built with high-quality materials, the housing is engineered to resist water, dust, vibrations, and harsh weather conditions, ensuring reliable long-term performance. The uniform light distribution closely matches H4/9003 bulb patterns, eliminating dark spots and providing a balanced beam for safer driving. Meeting DOT/SAE standards, it ensures legal compliance and road-ready performance. Efficient heat dissipation design helps maintain brightness over time without rapid dimming. Installation is simple with a plug-and-play setup requiring no modifications, making it suitable for most vehicles using 7-inch headlight systems, including cars and light trucks. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.